What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got me a Soundcore Motion 100 versus Soundcore Motion 300. Now I just got the 300 in. I have been using the 100 for for like a month now. Totally love the new design from Soundcore on these. Very portable, it holds well in your hands. Now, so let's go ahead and talk about the. Let me close that. So now let's go ahead and talk about the differences between the 100 and the 300 real quick. In case you're looking at this, the 100 actually has 20 watts power to it. The 300 has 30 watt. So it's kind of weird where 100, 20 watt, get it? They could have named it 200 and 300. I don't know. So what does that mean to you? Basically, it's a little bit more powerful than the Motion 100. The thing here is both are equipped with brand new tech, which is Bluetooth 5.3. Okay, so connection is going to be super snappy, super fast, and the range is going to be a little bit better than the older Bluetooth. That's what that means, okay? So both, you're getting great technology in it already. Also, how both of these are similar is that they have this bass up function, which basically, if you're one of those that doesn't like a lot of bass, you can turn that off. And so there's an option for you. And if you're one of those that really like bass, like I do, and listen to a lot of EDM, yeah, the bass up button is always on all the time. On both, the battery life actually can withstand for a really long time. 12 hours on the Motion 100, 13 hours on the 300. The reason why, obviously, is because it's bigger. They can pack in a little bit more battery in there. So in terms of the size, you can see that about 30% bigger on the Motion 300, 30% bigger. So the Motion 100 actually holds in your hand a lot better in terms of putting it on your backpack. This one right here won't drag your backpack down. This one right here, it may. In terms of charging time, both are pretty much the same. 4 hours charging time from 0 to 4 hours. Just keep it plugged in because they're both USB-C, which has the same wattage that's coming through it. So no problem there. Both are IPX7 rated, so yeah, it's pretty much waterproof. Pretty much waterproof. You probably won't want to submerge this in the water for very long, but if you do drop it in the pool, it'll still survive. That's basically what they're trying to say there. I do like the fact that this versus some of the other Bluetooth speakers, that they do care about the USB-C port, and they cover it up with this really thick cover that will keep all the water out. So I like that a lot. Now, next part, sound quality. Let's go ahead and test this thing. Both says they have high-res sound. Honestly, it doesn't make a big difference to me because I'm using Spotify, guys, and so I'm just pushing sound through it. So whatever comes through that sounds good, then it's fine with me. I'm not one of those that goes out and look for lossless audio or anything like that. So this is not one of those things. I'm using portable Bluetooth speaker at the end of the day, right? Anyway, so let's go ahead and turn both of these on, and let's go ahead and give it a test. Okay, so the first one we're going to test out is the Motion 100. We're going to go ahead and do, I'm going to pump it all the way up. How about that? I'm going to pump it all the way up. Yeah, the volume, pump it all the way up. Motion 100, you ready? This is with the bass up, by the way, all right? Okay, pretty loud for a small speaker like that, right? All right, Motion 300. Gonna start over the sound. Bass up is on. There you have it. Motion 300 right there. So what do you guys think in terms of the audio quality? I know it's coming through my mic right here, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Motion 100 for a 20-watt speaker, it's pretty loud. It blows my mind on how much this thing is pushing out for 20 watt. Okay, so the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to play another song, but what I'm going to do is in between, I'm going to switch from Motion 100 to Motion 300 and back and forth so that you guys can kind of listen to that, right? Motion 300 right now. And I want to turn it up like this. Okay, there you go. There you have it. One thing that you probably don't realize is that the Soundcore Motion 300 on my table is actually like shaking it. The Motion 100, I should have called it 200. The Motion 100 actually does shake the table, but not as much as the Motion 300. It just has a bigger subwoofer in here, I believe. So that's the reason why. But yeah, if you want to spend a little bit more money and get the Motion 300 because you want a bigger boost in the bass, Motion 300 is the way to go. Motion 100 is still very loud, super strong bass. I'm pretty satisfied with the Motion 100 in my opinion. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. That's the comparison right there. Hope you guys have a good one. Have a good one.